Hi guys, how's it going? So looking at the gold right now. If you have any question, please let me know. I have the chat open right here. So what we can see here is yesterday we've had a support at 45. Okay, so that's yesterday. We have 45. Today it dipped to 38, which is a bear trap. So yesterday simply we dipped below yesterday. Today we dipped below yesterday's low. Okay, so it's a bear trap. Usually when you have a bear trap, it's usually a good place to take a buy right above here. Okay, stop loss right here, and you go with it. Golden average move $35 per day, so I'm targeting the 70 level. Okay, guys, 2670, 2670. So this is my target right here. What trades do you guys have? This is a real account, of course, so you have to have kind of risk management. Okay, you can see the lot size are really small. 3 macro, 2 macro, 2 macro, 3 macro. This one I have a stop loss at the enterprise. What I can do is this one, the next one, I also can change my stop loss to be at the enterprise. Okay, so simply what I'm gonna do here, this is if you look at the time, all these trades were open today. Okay, so what I have here, what I have here, what I have here, this is open at 26.49. Stop loss, I can put stop loss at 26.49 also. 26.49. So simply I just put stop loss at entry price. Here we go. This was open at 26.45. I have a stop loss at 45. This is open at 47. I can put my stop loss at 47. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here and put my stop loss at 2647. 2647. Simply what I'm doing is just if the price will come back down, this is just gonna close and I'm gonna open again slowly. Okay, guys. Here we can go to 5 minute time frame. Okay, I can zoom a little bit. Here we go. So this is the low today. Here. Okay, and this is the low of yesterday at the 45, exactly this level here. So simply what it did make a strong support in this area. I just want to add something here. Okay, so this is a buying area. I can go to 15-minute time frame. So that's my gold analysis. Let's see what happened. What trades do you guys have? That's 26.45. When you get a strong 1 hour candle, usually the second candle will go a little bit slow or have a little bit of correction. If the trend will continue, then go straight up, okay? So that's normal. So that's okay, guys, okay? So price can come down here like this and start going back up, okay? Let's see what happens. Anyway, risk management is really important, guys. We're hovering around the 26.50. It just shoot up $5 above the 26.50. Then it's coming down to test it, okay? If we look here, let's see what trend in currency today. Japanese yen is really strong. Australian, Canadian dollar are weak. Franc and pound are kind of strong also. This is probably going to change in the New York session. Australian is weak because the the global tension between Israel and Iran. So that's normal to see the Canadian oil is coming down, Australian coming down, but the dollar should have been stronger a little bit. We'll see what happens in New York session. I think the dollar is just gonna come down and the gold is gonna shoot up. So that's what's happening for now. Here is the 5 block system, guys, which we use. So we are good now. We're hoping this will continue here, here, like this, okay? And go to 70. We can see it's coming down here, guys. Okay, let's see what happens. Now it's coming down to 26.51 and dropped around $5. This should be okay. Let's see. This is all pre-New York, so I'm gonna take 5 macro cable also. I added a little bit of extra XAU USD right here, guys, at the 2650. 2650 is a support resistance area. So usually if it breaks to the upside, then you should come to retest it. It looks like it's gonna hold and just gonna shoot back up. Let's see what's happening. I'm targeting the 2670 today, today or tomorrow, whatever, but most likely today. We still have a few hours to New York session, so the market's quite slow right now, but usually in New York is just what I'm expecting is the gold to rise because yields I expect to start coming down quickly. The United States 10 years yield. In this case, we should see the gold is rising up strongly, okay? I also sold USD CAD. Gold is shooting back up, guys. It tested the 2650 as expected at 2653 right now, which is good. Let's see if it's gonna hold. It's gonna break this high, 2656. I think it will, but let's see what's happening. Gold should be in the rise. Should be. We are in a war atmosphere. There's tension. There's dollar. After a correction, it came down, dollar index came down from 106 to 120 and this rose back up to 103 something. So it should start coming back down. So the dollar should be getting weak in this week. The only thing can hold dollar strong is the war because in the wartime, dollar remains in demand. But if the war really is not weighted too much, then dollar is just gonna fall down, okay? Second thing is the United States 10 years yield. It dropped from the close to 5 to 3.5 all the previous time. Then start going back up to 4.1, and now it should start coming back down, okay? So simply, we should see the the United States yield falling strongly in the next 2 weeks, okay? Watch out, yesterday the bond market in the United States was closed due to the holiday, so today is open. We could see a rapid drop in the yield and rapid rise in the gold, so pay attention something like this, okay? There is start a buying movement right here at 1650, showing some momentum at the price. Let's see if this is gonna continue. I think so, but let's see, okay? It's very important to calculate your risk, guys. Don't take too much risk. We want to survive another day, to fight another day. So as long as you still have balance in your account, you can make it up. As long as you still have some fund left, you can, continue and win. But if you get to lose everything at once, then you're out of the game. We don't want to be out of the game, so take it slow, take it easy. When you see a good opportunity, give it a little bit. Extra risk is okay, but make sure you have, okay, how much you're willing to lose if things go really bad. So here, up to $100 loss is okay for me, okay? Which is like 10% of the account. That's too high for one day, but for me, that's a small account. I'm just, planning to double it a couple times. Let's see if we can do this together.